Hi, Billie the artist here, just with a quick update about my oil paintings and what is going on, especially with the Hickey painting during this interesting time while we're all isolating and in lockdown. Now, the reason I've put this on hold is because of the lockdown. Now, you'll see a detail, like I say, you'll see the detail of how far this has got now, and I'm on the background and I've got to carry on finishing doing the background, and then I've got to work across all of the bike. And this is Peter Hickman on the Trip of Triumph, which people have asked for a long time, and it's a fantastic image to actually do, from the Ulster Grand Prix last year. And I will get back to it in the future. Now, the reason is, and this is to do with the lockdown, the paper and inks that I get for the Giclée prints. Now, the ink cartridges I do get mail order and they do get posted to me, but the paper that I use, the fine art matte paper that I use, gets trashed most of the time, well, pretty much, yeah, most of the time, 90% of the time, the paper just gets trashed by the couriers. So I have to travel across the country because where I am in Stoke-on-Trent, nobody actually stocks the paper that I use. And so I travel to Nottingham to go and pick up the paper so that it doesn't get trashed, and I can check it there, make sure it's okay, and then I can bring it home. Now, because of the travel restrictions, it's something that I don't want to do is go all the way over to Nottingham during this time for paper. Now, I have enough paper to deal with orders that are coming in through my web store. So thank you very much for everyone who's placed orders for prints, whether it's for yourselves or for presents. That's absolutely great. Thank you very much. And prints have been going out most days, and that's absolutely lovely. Now, I have enough stock to keep that going, which is great. But because of the amount of interest that is in Peter Hickman, if I do finish the painting and then release the print, I will run out of paper. And not being able to travel to get the paper, even if my suppliers can get the paper, and the other reason is because the paper is from Epson, who produce the ultrachrome inks that I use, and their warehouse is in Germany. I spoke with Epson UK. They don't actually keep stock in this country, so it could even be halted because of everything. Germany's locked down, and again, it's just a bonkers time. So this is on hold for now. That's why I'm doing all the how to draw videos. I'm having an absolute blast. People all around the planet are enjoying them, and it's great fun, and I'm having a great time actually doing them. So Hickey will be back on in the future. Don't know exactly when, but he will be done, and I am looking forward to doing him and finishing him and then producing more art, hopefully in the future. We don't know. I mean, again, because there's no racing this year, so there we go. I had got a lot of art scheduled, and again, we will cross that bridge when we get to it, when we can actually go out and do stuff. So anyway, I hope you are all well. Do enjoy the how to draw videos. Please share them with as many people as you can, because it's just such great fun encouraging people to draw and just seeing people around the planet enjoying these videos. And the current mob at the moment, I'm in the process. I have done 3 of the SAS Who Dares Wins. I've got 2 more of the DS to do. I have done Jason Cole Fox. I've done Ollie Ollerton. I have done Mark Billie Billingham. I am now going to do Jay Morton, and then finally Ant Middleton. So that's just something I've wanted to do, just again showing people those techniques. I am aiming to do 1 how to draw a Harry Potter video every single week. That's a good thing to keep those guys going. And then there's going to be more and more tutorials covering different subjects. Some simple stuff, cartoons, characters, objects, little bits and pieces. So we are going to have a lot of drawing fun. Anyway, thank you very, very much. Please do like and subscribe, tick the bell, share the videos. That's great. I hope you're all keeping well. Please do take care. Speak to you in the next video. Ta-da.